NEC 410.14b addresses access to boxes, specifically flush-mounted or recessed boxes. The code states that junction boxes shall be installed so that their covers are flush with the finished wall or ceiling surface. Furthermore, junction boxes shall be accessible without removing permanent parts of the building or finish of the building. Interpreting this section, consider the technique of installing fluorescent luminaires directly over outlet boxes that are recessed in concrete ceilings. This installation involves using a concrete box cover, a chase nipple, and a lock nut, followed by fastening the fixture directly to the ceiling surface using approved anchors. This method does not violate NEC 410.14b if certain conditions are met. The concrete box cover provides a flush surface for the luminaire, satisfying the flush-mounted requirement. The key is ensuring that the luminaire can be accessed for maintenance or replacement without needing to remove any permanent parts of the building structure or its finish. Because the luminaire is directly attached to the ceiling surface, typically it can be removed without disturbing the building's permanent components. To summarize, the technique is permissible under NEC 410.14b if firstly, the outlet box is recessed and flush with the concrete ceiling surface. Secondly, a concrete box cover is used to provide a flush surface for the luminaire. Thirdly, a chase nipple and lock nut are used to secure the luminaire to the outlet box. And fourthly, the luminaire is fastened directly to the concrete ceiling surface using approved anchors. Considering these stipulations will help ensure code compliance in covered parking garage installations.